Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is the day that we're going to choose our winners for the awesome fall Aldi finds video. And as you recall, in my last video, I did show you guys beautiful macrame kits that I purchased. So I promised you that I would go ahead and put one of them together, and I did. So let's take a look at the beautiful macrame kit that I put together. I'll talk to you a little bit about how I put it together and everything, and then you can see the finished item. So here we go. I decided to go ahead and put together one of the pumpkins. And I chose the um, off-white one and thought that it would be really nice as the giveaway portion to give away the one that was orange. Okay. So it's a beautiful pattern and not very difficult to do. I absolutely learned some wonderful techniques, and I actually got some inspiration on something that I could do using macrame in the future. So stay tuned for that. I'll try to see if I can work it out first. And if it works out good, then I will share it with you guys. So here are some things. I first went ahead and read through the directions, and the directions told me to cut out all of my cords so that I would have them prepared. All right. So I made sure that I had all the materials available and all of the tools and everything that I needed here. And then I went ahead and cut out the cords as they recommended so that I could get started on the pumpkin. And this is what it looked like here. The next thing I did was I went ahead and started putting it together. And here is the progress that I made. I did show you guys what I did on my community tab. So if you took a look at the community tab, you will see some progress that I made. So as you guys know, sometimes life gets in the way of the things that we are trying to do in our extra time, but you know what? That's okay. We can sometimes find time to craft, and that's what I did. All right. So you'll see that I just had it sitting on my lap and I went ahead and got started. And that's what I call new beginnings. All right. So now I continued to work on it. And this is kind of how it looked as we were going along. And then I went ahead and followed all the instructions and I finished it. And I'm so, so very happy. Now, once I got that portion done, I had to do the stem. And I got the stem, and that was a new stitch that I learned. So that was great too. And went ahead and then assembled it. It is a very easy to do pattern. It is very repetitious, and you really are only learning two different macrame stitches, but it's wonderful and the assembly is great. So if you have an opportunity to get one of these pumpkins, please go ahead and do so. All right. Okay. So now who is going to win the beautiful pumpkin? Let's go ahead and do our drawing. Hold on for a moment. All right, I am back. I have entered the URL in the space provided, and I have placed the check next to filter comments by words or hashtags, and we asked for the word harvest if you wanted to be in the giveaway. All right, so I'm going to choose two winners, okay? So let's choose two winners, and we're choosing random names, and let's do a duration of 10 seconds, okay? All right, so are you ready, guys? Let's get the YouTube comments. Here we go. Okay, so there are 17 comments that use the word harvest. All right, so now let's pick a winner. We're going to pick two. Now, before I get started, the first one will be the one who wins the pumpkin, and the second one will be the one who wins the wall hanging. Okay, and so whomever's name is listed first wins the pumpkin, and whomever's name is listed second wins the wall hanging. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, so Keyword said, thanks. Planned on going to Aldi's tomorrow. I hope my Aldi's has them. What great harvest options. Well, Keyword, you have won. So if your Aldi didn't have them, you have won the beautiful pumpkin macrame kit. All right. And Aisha's handmade items. Oh my goodness. For both of our winners, Aisha, I am so happy for you. Aisha is such an awesome young lady. She has a beautiful spirit and she has an awesome channel. So if you haven't checked her out, guys, what are you waiting on? All right. You have to go ahead and check out Aisha's handmade items. Aisha, you are our winner of the beautiful macrame wall hanging. Now, Aisha said, thanks for sharing. They just opened a new Aldi in my area. Good luck to everyone. Harvest is a time of year to be with your loved ones this Thanksgiving. Yes, indeed, Aisha. I agree with you wholeheartedly. This is just awesome. All right. So hold on for a moment. I am back. I am so excited for our two winners. Isn't that awesome? So we have two winners, one for the beautiful pumpkin and one for the beautiful wall hanging. So for our winners, please contact me by email within the next 7 days. My email will be in the description box below. All right. I'm just so excited. Now, did you guys want to see the beautiful pumpkin that I made? I have it right here. Here it is, and it turned out so great. I learned just beautiful techniques using the square knives at the bottom, and I learned a new stitch doing the crown stitch for the stem. This is a great pattern, not very difficult at all, and you do learn shaping and things like that with macrame, so it's great. All right, it's a good beginner project or something very quick to do if you're advanced. All right, I loved it, and I think it's great. So I'm so excited that one will be winning this one and the other will win the beautiful wall hanging. So guys, thank you so much for participating, for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. Thanks again. I really appreciate you. I know your time is valuable and you don't always have a lot of it. So thank you so much for just hanging out with me for a bit. So to each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video or one of yours. Bye-bye now.